Hi, we're gonna blitz out dinner tonight. Yesterday, because I had these tomatillos sitting in the fridge for too long. No, they were perfectly fine, just too long for my taste. I wanted to use them. I roasted them off. I quickly yesterday just made a roasted tomatillo sauce, and so I thought I'm gonna make these chicken enchiladas tomorrow because I have chicken. In the green, in my tomatillo sauce, obviously tomatillos with the husks off, I roasted them with onions and a couple of whole garlic and a little olive oil and salt and pepper, and that was it, because I didn't have my jalapenos last night. Otherwise I would have roasted those in there too, but we're gonna put the jalapenos in today. So I got this delicious, I love roasted salsa verde tomatillo sauce. I love it. So we're gonna just whip off. I'm gonna time this too, because I never want people thinking dinner is such a hassle. It's not. You always have stuff in the fridge. Or again, I'm gonna get to that pantry episode, so that you always have things in your fridge, and you can make swaps like enchiladas. Probably I'd like to have black beans in here. I don't have any black beans today, but I did have some corn, so I'm gonna use the corn instead of the black beans to give it some nice fiber. I have a little bit of chicken left, so I'm gonna do, I have chicken, I have red pepper, I have cumin, I have one onion left, I've got cilantro, I did get a couple of hot peppers, serrano and jalapeno, I always have limes, I got some Mexican cheese mix today, and I love corn tortillas in my enchiladas. And I'm not actually making enchiladas, too much effort to roll. I'm making like an enchilada lasagna. I'm just gonna layer everything, it's so easy. And I think I'm going to just simply, because the last time I made, what did I make? Pork enchiladas. I did a slow roasted in my slow cooker. I slow cooked the pork all day in the mojo sauce, which is a Cuban citrusy garlicky sauce, which is lovely, but I don't have time for that. So I'm just going to cook my chicken with these vegetables for the filling in like 10 minutes, and I think I'll throw in some cumin and maybe some orange. I have tangerines, orange for the citrus. We'll try that. I think it's be delicious. So I'm going to take you over here behind the stove. My cameraman, called out sick today. So, I'm kidding, he's at work. If I don't film on the weekends, I have to film by myself. It's one-man operation here. So the angles are not going to be as good. I don't get all the close-ups, that he gets, but it's still going to be good, I guarantee. And you're going to like this recipe, and you're going to like how fast it is. So, okay, here we go. While the oil's heating up, I decided to doctor up the red enchilada sauce. It was a little flat to me. I added a splash of apple cider vinegar, some salt, some pepper, and some fresh lemon juice to give it a brightness. Remember, taste everything. While the vegetable's softening, I cut the chicken into smaller pieces to spread it out more. I cook the vegetables just till soft, about 7 to 10 minutes top, and then I'm adding salt and pepper to taste, and I'm about to add the chicken back in. Cilantro is key here in the enchiladas, so I add a healthy amount. I also add in the tangerine juice, lemon, and lime juice as well. Then you'll add in the ground cumin and give it a taste, add as much as you like, and let this cook all together so the flavors meld for just a couple more minutes. Give it one final taste and see if you need to add anything else, and if not, just take it off the heat and let it cool a bit. Quick and easy assembly. This is the fun part. We're not going to be rolling the enchiladas. It'll have the same nice taste when we're done. We're just going to make it in layers like a lasagna. So I dip the corn tortillas into the red sauce so that they're coated on both sides. Put a little red sauce on the base of the casserole dish, and then I just start layering. I'm going to just do 2 layers. So I'm going to put half of the filling that we just cooked up over those tortillas, and then I'm going to dollop in some of the green salsa verde and sprinkle in some cilantro, and then do another layer after that. And if you want to put some cheese in this layer as well, that's fine. I'm just going to put it on the top. Okay, final layer. I end with the corn tortillas that are soaked in the red sauce. Put a few dollops of the green salsa verde as well. Layer that with the cheese, a little salt and pepper, and you could put some green onions on top here, would be nice too. Then you're going to put it right in the oven at 350, uncovered, for 20 to 25 minutes until you get a nice browning on top. There you have it, fast weeknight meal, about 25 minutes in the preparation and another 20-25 minutes on the cooking, and about 45 minutes to the table. And what I really love is the sauces. I made the green salsa verde, but I also have in the past made the red enchilada sauce, which I love. You can make those days in advance, keep them in the fridge, so that the night of the meal you're just throwing everything together.